install Jenkins on this server, okay, we just need to open up the installation scripts, which you'll find in the resources section of the community, but I have it here on my system. You open this up like this, jenkins.sh, that will be the name of the file. Just simply highlight everything in here and copy, okay? When you get here, you can now type, or you can actually paste it in here, okay? I'll let it run. Enter. So this should be done in a moment. Okay, all right. We have Jenkins successfully installed as a service. You can see that the status is active and running. Okay, so you just press Q on your system just once, and this should give you, okay, access. All right, back to where you can actually type in your commands. Okay, you can clear our screen. Now notice Jenkins is in running state, so everything is fine. Now, for us to be able to see Jenkins on our browser, we actually need to go to the the security group of the instance and then turn on a particular port. Okay, let's go back to our AWS account, back to EC2, and then you can click on instance running. Wait for this to come up. Server here, check. For us to be able to open up that port, you can see security here. Click on this, because if we were to just carry our public IP address here and paste, actually not see anything. And because Jenkins runs on port 8080, if we use the port 8080 here, we wouldn't still see anything. Okay, so what we have to do now is to turn on that port in the security group of this particular instance. Okay, so we go here to security and then scroll down to security groups. Okay, come down to edit inbound rules. And then add a new rule. Okay, leave that custom TCP and change this to 8080. You have to enable this, okay, so that Jenkins can be able to display on your browser. Click this to be 0.0.0.0/0, and then click on save rules. Okay, so let's check if our I think we've been disconnected, so let's do this. cd-into.ssh, and then let's go back to paste. I want to check if Jenkins service is still running. Okay, so we have one running instance, which is our Jenkins server. This button should come up, connect, copy this, then paste this where our key pair is. Okay, so use sudo systemctl status Jenkins. Jenkins. Okay, so we see that Jenkins is still running. It's in an active state. Okay. So right now we'll come here and refresh this. You can see that we enabled port 8080 on this IP address, which is okay. It's loading up on its own. All right. So we have Jenkins displaying on our browser. Okay. So moving forward, what we need to do to be able to get the administrator password here, which is actually requesting, we just have to copy this entire path here and then come to our instance. Let's clear our screen first. Use the sudo cat, paste this in there, and this should give you the default password for our Jenkins server. Okay, so come here, copy this, and then paste in this password here. Okay, click on continue. Let's just add admin here. So the next thing for you to do here is to install suggested plugins. Okay, just click on this left hand side and let Jenkins actually install the plugins that we need, for our bot to function properly. Okay, so we have Gradle pipelines, Ant, workshop cleanup, email extension, gates, pipeline, the rest of them. Okay, so we're not creating user now. We just keep and continue as admin. Please do save that password. This one, maybe in a TXT file here on your system, you would actually need it for other things that we'll do. Okay, maybe next time that we're logging in. So when you see instance configuration, Jenkins URL, you just press or click on save and finish. So you see the Jenkins is ready, and just click on start using Jenkins.